All right, prime time. This is the video to find the winner of the Eric Dickerson full-size custom helmet. That thing was pretty sweet. This is between the AFC South and the NFC West, which is Tony and Eric. So we'll check the time, July 3rd at 10:15 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle, and type live. And we have July 3rd at 10:15 p.m. There are two entries, Tony and Eric. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tony is our winner. Tony Schwandt will win the Dickerson helmet. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 3rd, 10:16 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.